Hi children, how are you? Are you fine? I'm very happy with you to present our lesson. Children, let us start with Unit 10, Lesson 1. Unit 10, Lesson 1, it's about weather. What's about? It's about weather. Okay children, look at the first picture. The first picture and second picture, third picture. There are different type of picture. Okay? Different type of picture. The first one, it means cold. The second one, it means warm. The third one, it means hot. So how do you know? If you look at the red color, it's so low, it means cold, and it's between low and high, it means warm. It means warm weather. And the red color is so high, it means hot weather, especially in the summer it is so hot, and especially in spring it's warm. It's between cold and hot, and in winter it's so cold. It is so cold. If you look at here, this direction, it means windy. This direction, it means windy. Okay, it means windy. If you look at here, and the red color, it's between low and high, it means warm weather. Warm, it's not so hot or cold, between hot and cold, so it means warm weather. Okay, what about the cold? Cold, it means sometimes rainy, cloudy. So look at this picture. Look at this picture here, and it's so low, it means the red color is so low, it means cold weather. Okay, and there's wet. Wet, it means rainy, and cloudy. There's cloud, okay, rainy, and there's a cloud in the weather. Okay, so it means cloudy. And again, why it's hot? Because the red color is so high and the weather is so hot. Okay, here, if you look at here, sunny. Why it's sunny? Because the weather is so hot. So hot, it is sunny. Okay, and again, there's direction. There's a direction. This direction, it means windy. It means windy and hot. Why it's hot? If you look at this, the red color is so high, just like a temperature. Just like a temperature. Okay, and there's three type of temperature and three type of weather, and hot, cold, and warm. And again, it's hot. It is hot. Okay, children, they're about weather. There are different type of weather. Okay, and don't forget. Again, if you look at this picture, it means, because it's direction, it means windy, and this cloud, okay, it means cloudy. It means cloudy. If you have this sun, it means sunny. The weather is sunny. And if you look at this rain, it means wet, rainy, wet. Okay, children? And let's go to the Unit 2. Do you understand about Lesson 1? It's about different type of weather. Okay? Cold, warm, hot, wet, and number two, point and say. There are two sentences. It's about the weather in different countries. The weather in different countries. It's hot in Australia. How's the weather in Australia? It's hot, okay? And what about the United States? What about the weather in United States? It's warm and windy. It's warm and windy. There are different type of weather and different type of country. Different type of weather in different kind in different country. Okay, children? It's hot in Australia and it's warm and windy. Look at here, windy, just like these directions. Windy, warm. It means no so hot and not so cold. Warm and windy in the United States, and hot in Australia, just like this picture. Okay, children? And that's enough for today. Thank you, children. And you should review your lesson. Be careful. Have a nice time. Goodbye.